In this video, I'm going to be telling you the best ways to sell your products online. I'm going to be covering marketplaces such as eBay and Amazon, and also selling directly through your own website using platforms such as Shopify. Amazon barely needs any introduction. It's the world's biggest e-commerce marketplace with hundreds of millions of users worldwide. Its customer-centric approach has made it hugely popular with consumers all over the world. By registering for an account and listing your products on Amazon Marketplace, you can reach customers worldwide. Amazon also provides sellers with a one-stop shop for promoting their products and fulfilling orders, making it popular with entrepreneurs. If, for example, we search for hairbrush, at the top here we'll see adverts for people selling their hairbrush brand on Amazon. If we click on one of these products, we're taken to a product listing page. If we click visit the store, we're taken to a branded store for that brand on Amazon. So Amazon enables you to list your products on Amazon and promote your products on Amazon and acquire customers. So what are the pros and cons of selling on Amazon? Amazon is a massive, massive market and therefore the biggest opportunity for entrepreneurs. You can sell pretty much anything legal on Amazon. It also has an international reach. Not only is it in big countries like the UK and the USA, but it's also throughout Europe, and it's expanding aggressively throughout the world. It has a site in Brazil, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Singapore, just to name a few. Amazon has a fulfillment service known as FBA. This is a pay-as-you-go fulfillment service. That means you could just put one product into a warehouse for 1 month and that's all you'll pay for. There's no contracts or anything. And if you put your products into Amazon's fulfillment warehouse, then Amazon will do all the fulfillment and all the customer service, which makes it really, really easy for entrepreneurs. You can piggyback on Amazon's infrastructure and you don't have to build infrastructure of your own. Their shipping rates are very reasonable if you ship on Amazon. You can also ship off Amazon, so you could sell on your website and fulfill from Amazon, but the fees will be higher. Amazon is a one-stop shop for promoting your products. So what I mean by that is you can list your product and also promote your product. So it has an internal advertising system. So you can create product listings, and then in a similar way to sites like Google, you can then buy advertising to drive traffic to those listings. And over time, they will start to get their own organic traffic. The setup costs are low. There's a very small fee of about $40 a month for a business account. And then you just pay for what you use. When you sell a product, you pay commission. And when you advertise a product, you pay advertising fees, but you only pay for what you use. So overall, a massive opportunity. There are, however, some very distinct disadvantages to selling on Amazon. It is expensive. The normal commission is 15%, and that's before you've bought any advertising. It's highly competitive. The fact that it's easy to sell on means it has millions and millions of products on Amazon and hundreds of thousands of sellers. It can be difficult to use. Amazon is a pretty unpleasant place to sell. They treat their sellers really badly, and no one really enjoys it because you're very much treated like a cog in a very big machine. You don't own the customer, and this is a really big problem with Amazon. You do not have the right to contact that customer outside Amazon. And if you do, there's a chance that Amazon will shut your account down. So if you sell a customer on Amazon, each time you pay, you'll have to pay commission. Unlike a website where you say you drive a customer to your website, you would pay once to drive that customer, then you have the details and you can market that email directly using techniques such as email marketing. Finally, you lack control. On Amazon, there's only one way, and that's the Amazon way. You have to conform to their very strict performance guidelines, and you have a limited control over how you present your product on the platform. Once it's no longer the e-commerce force it once was, eBay still represents a big opportunity for entrepreneurs to sell their products online. eBay has 185 million users worldwide. Gross merchandising volume is a massive $100 billion a year. These figures are second only to Amazon, making eBay an opportunity every online seller should consider. So what are the pros and cons of selling on eBay? Again, eBay is a massive market where you can sell pretty much anything. It's particularly good for shifting distressed stock, for example, if you have end-of-line stock or returns. eBay has an international reach. It's available in over 20 countries. And like Amazon, you can both list products and promote products. It has an internal advertising system. The setup costs are very low. On the con side, eBay is expensive. It's a little bit cheaper than Amazon. The fees are about 12%, but then you typically would buy a little bit of advertising on top of that. It's very competitive because it's easy to use. There's thousands and thousands of sellers on it. Again, you don't own the customer. Though eBay isn't quite as strict about this as Amazon is, you still don't have the right to email people directly. Unfortunately, eBay is a shrinking market. For years, it stayed about the same, whereas Amazon has grown enormously. Again, there's a lack of control. You can only list your products in a certain way. And unlike Amazon, it doesn't have a fulfillment service. Despite all these things, I still believe that eBay is a big opportunity for online sellers. Having a website enables you to be fully in control of the online experience you offer your customers. It enables you to access a range of online marketing techniques, which opens up your business to a much wider audience. Here's an example of a website I like. This is a website called Allbirds. They sell nice, sustainable shoes. Although Allbirds is a big company, they're using Shopify, which is a platform which is available on a monthly contract to both small and large sellers. As you can see, they've got a lovely looking website, lots of beautiful graphics which show off their products. If you have your own website, then you can choose how you organize your products. You can determine the pricing, you can determine the imagery, everything about the customer service you can customize. So what are the pros and cons of selling for your own website? When you sell for your own website, you're in full control. You control the look and feel of the website, you control the customer experience of the website, you control everything about how you sell to these customers. They're your customers. You get their details and therefore you can market them separately. So once you've paid to acquire the customer, you can then use retention marketing techniques such as emails to encourage them to buy more. Unlike platforms like Amazon, there are no commission-based fees when you sell for your own website. You will, however, pay a small transaction fee to a company like PayPal in order to take payment. Having your own website opens up a range of different other channels you can use. The ones we're going to discuss are paid search, natural search, email, and affiliate marketing. There are, however, a few downsides of selling on your own website. It is more complex. You are responsible for setting up and manage this website. Platforms such as Shopify will charge their own monthly fees. Also, with great power comes great responsibility. You're in full control, but therefore you have to do your own marketing. Unlike a site like eBay or Amazon, where there has which have ready built audiences that you can piggyback on, if you set up your own website, you have to generate your own incoming traffic. We recommend Shopify as a platform to run your website, though there are plenty of others, for example, WooCommerce and BigCommerce. If you have a website, you can drive traffic to it using paid search programs, of which the largest is Google Ads. Google Ads has the potential to drive targeted traffic to your website from all over the world. For example, if I go into Google and I do a search for a product called 𝗏𝗏𝒏𝗏, on this page we have the adverts of these pictorial ads that appear at the top and at the side. These listings here are the unpaid or natural search results, which we'll talk about next. As you can see, the adverts that Google serves are relevant to the search term that the user entered, and therefore these ads are highly targeted and very effective. Google Ads campaigns are quick and easy to set up. You can also start on a very small budget. Google operates all over the world, so you can advertise both in your home country and any country which Google operates in. However, paid search is becoming increasingly more competitive, and the cost of advertising has got higher. The traffic you get is obviously dependent on the amount you pay, and if you stop paying, you won't get any traffic. From experience, Google Ads has the opportunity to drive almost as many sales to your business as Amazon, and that's huge. Search engine optimization refers to traffic that you get free from Google. As this traffic is unpaid, it can be one of the most cost-effective ways of driving traffic to your website. If we do a search on Google for the Apple iPhone, Google generates a list of search results which it thinks is most relevant to the searcher's query. So at the top, we have the paid search results. There's the Google Shopping ads. Then under this, we have the organic result. Google doesn't take any payment for if someone clicks on one of these results. If you can get highly ranked for search terms relevant to your products and services, this can be a great boost to your business. So what are the benefits of driving natural search traffic to your site? Firstly, the traffic is free. The only costs involved are the work you have to spend improving the content of your site to make Google think that it's a high-quality site that it should drive traffic to. Google's natural search results are highly trusted by consumers, and if you spend time improving the quality of your site so it gets good traffic, that has a long-term benefit for your business. On the minus side, building up the search engine authority of a site is a slow process, takes a long time and a lot of work. You also lack control. Google can and does change the algorithm, that is the way that it generates research results. And if it doesn't like something in your site, then you can see a massive change in traffic and you have no control over that. Contrast this with Google paid search, where you pay your money and you get your traffic. It's much cheaper to sell to an existing customer than it is to acquire a new customer. Email is one of the best ways of encouraging people to come back to your website and make more purchases. Despite the rise of social media and instant messaging apps, email is still wildly popular with billions of messages sent every year. If done properly, email marketing could drive between 5 and 20% of your sales. So that's not nearly as big as something like Amazon, but it's still well worth having. It's a great way of driving return traffic and monetizing what customers you've already acquired. It's very cost effective because the cost of sending emails is very low. However, it takes time to build up an email list. In order to run your campaigns, you have to use something like MailChimp, which costs money, and you need to spend time managing the campaigns. With billions of users around the world, it's safe to say that all your customers will be on one social media platform or another. Social media platforms such as Facebook is where people interact with their friends, colleagues, and brands, looking for entertainment, inspiration, information, and recommendations. Social media platforms have an absolutely massive audience and therefore are a huge opportunity for brands. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok offer both organic and paid options for reaching their audience. The adverts can be highly targeted. Unfortunately, advertising on social media can have a very low return on investment. From experience, the return on investment on something like Facebook tends to be 2 or 3 times the amount you pay, whereas on Google it'll be more like 6 or 7. Managing campaigns is time-consuming, and you have to be always thinking up with new ideas for content. Affiliate marketing is where e-commerce companies boost their sales by allowing other sites to target the same audience to promote their products in return for commission. Affiliate schemes will normally be managed by an affiliate network, an example of which is 𝐴𝐻𝒁. To set up a scheme, you will specify a commission rate, say 10%. So if someone puts a link on their website, which links back to yours, and someone makes a purchase, the publisher will get 10%, and also there will be a payment to the network. Setting up an affiliate scheme is a great way to promote your business across the wider internet. Setting up a scheme is cheap, and as the payments are commission-based, it's low risk. Affiliate schemes should be giving you somewhere between 5 and 10% of your sales. So this is not as big an opportunity as something like Amazon, but it's still worth having. The downside of an affiliate scheme is that obviously you have to pay the networks and you have to pay the publishers. There's fees involved. Attribution is also difficult. A lot of the most successful affiliates are cashback sites. So it could be that someone's gone to your site, decided they want to buy something, gone to a cashback site, and then got the cashback, and therefore you'll be paying an affiliate commission to the cashback site for a sale that you would have got anyway. So which channel should your business be targeting? As an advocate of multi-channel e-commerce marketing, I fundamentally believe that most businesses should have a presence on all these channels. However, you do need to prioritize. Here's the order with which I would approach your online sales channels. First, set up your website. Whilst many brands only sell on Amazon, there are several reasons why I think a website should come first. If your customers are buying from a brand for the first time, they may search out the website to reassure themselves it's a good choice. On a website, you can sell without fees. A website will attract natural search traffic from day one, and if you have a website, you will be able to sell without paying commission. Once you have a website, you can start building your audience. You can start building your email list and social media following immediately if you have a website. Once you've built your website, you can use Google Shopping ads to drive traffic. Using programs like Performance Max, these are very easy to set up. Then once you have a few hundred people in your email list, you can start sending out email campaigns. Secondly, I recommend listing your products on Amazon. Create great listings on Amazon and then use Amazon Vine to get your first 10 to 20 reviews. You'll also need to use sponsored product campaigns to drive traffic to your products, though over time your natural search results should improve. I recommend fulfilling using Amazon's fulfillment service FBA. Thirdly, list your products on eBay. If you use a platform like Shopify, you can manage your Amazon eBay business using Shopify Marketplace Connect. Once your brand is live on eBay and Amazon, return to your website. By improving your content, known as search engine optimization, you will increase your Google natural search traffic. Natural search traffic from Google is a gift that keeps on giving. An affiliate scheme allows you to promote your brand across the broader internet. As affiliate sales are mostly commission-based, this is a low-cost, low-risk way to boost sales. Whilst I recommend setting up your social media account when you first create your brand, I found that social media advertising to be a low return on investment, so I only invest time and money in this once you've addressed your other channels. Finally, expand overseas. From experience, selling your products outside your home market can double your sales and more. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel.